Hi, good day, everybody. So, I'm going to be showing you today how to design a simple flyer using your phone. And the app we'll be using for this design is called Flyerwiz. Is this app up here? So, if you don't have it, go to Play Store and download it. So, you set up the app, open it. So, now you're on Flyerwiz app, formerly known as Flyer Maker, and this is what it is. As you can see, the app has different templates. So let me quickly run you through the ornamental things the app have. The app has templates for different designs: swimming pool business, swimming business, online class, a design for investments, etc. etc. So as you can see, the pro written here means these apps, this particular flyer templates are paid for. You can't actually use them without paying for them. Why they are the ones that are free, like this one here, where there is no pro written on it. These ones are free designs that you can actually use for your company designs. So depending on what you want, if you want access to more designs, you can pay for the pro, so you can have this kind of templates that you can use to design if you're into real estate, or you can pay for a free design, simple design like this. Not pay, but you can own a free design like this when you just have the app. So these are the templates. So this is the first thing you see when you open the Flyerwiz. The other things we have here, we have create. On the downside, we have explore, we have search. So this search is used to search for a design. If you're interested in a particular design, for example, something in restaurants, we have designs in restaurants. You went to restaurant business, etc. Real estate, something for houses, you can have them here. Another thing you can do is the explore, which helps you get other templates too. For business flyers, you can have all this. They are the pro versions, as I said, and they are the free ones. So you will just have to check for which one is free or pay for the pro if you're interested. Like this one is free, this one here, this one is pro. So yeah, that is what the explore is used for. And the create is if you want to create a design from scratch by yourself, using whether you want to create something for Instagram or Facebook or brochure, business card, whatever kind of designs you're interested in. So this is it. Use and create from scratch. So it just give you the size format of whatever you want to create. So if it's business card, you choose it. If it's something for your WhatsApp status, if it's something for your YouTube thumbnails, you use that. So yeah, another thing we have here is the quick search in the up corner. So if you want to offer sales, maybe for your business, you can use offer and sales. Maybe your business is doing sales of a discount of 50% for clothing brands, you can use this kind of free templates. So you can use the one for events too, upcoming event, full event, something for hiring staffs, product launching event, arts events. You use this. If you want to if you're running a babysitting organization, or you're someone that does babysitting, you can use this. So there are lots of them up here. Car business, in the party business, and want to create party flyers, you can use the next one. So a lot of templates to be used. So it's basically simple. Let's pick a template. No, I don't want to create. Let's pick a template quickly. Let's do a simple design. So let's use this opening soon of our business templates to show example of how to do a quick design. So yeah, you just click on edit after clicking on opening it. So it's simple. You use your two fingers to zoom on the screen. If you want to edit anything, you double click on it and you can edit it. That is for writing. For text, this is how you do it. Then you can save it. So if you want to remove the sun, you just edit it, double click on it, edit it. You can change the font here, down here. You can always change the fonts, to any font that you like, and you save it with that uptick, and you have your sun. So as you can see, there's an underlayer writing for this particular design, this text here. So let's put our sun back. So yeah, basically that's for editing text. Another thing you can do is edit images in between your design. Like all these things I'm clicking on are actually little images in between the background, which is this, the whole Flyerwiz background. So there are little images in between that you can either delete by clicking this X and it's deleted. You can delete it by clicking let's choose this one, X, and it's deleted. You can do the second one by clicking X and it's deleted. You can undo it from up here. You can undo everything you deleted with that back arrow. So it's simple like that. You can also zoom in without using your two fingers, using the zoom icons that are there. And basically, let's go into editing this for my brand. So if you want to edit the opening swingers, opening January, let's edit that. So we highlight it, we can click edit down here, as we have rotate size, which is to increase or reduce the size of the text. Rotate is to take it round, and there are other ways to do this. Like on the screen, you can actually still rotate it with your finger on the screen. You can increase the text with this side, so there are other ways to do it. And yeah, you can do positioning to back, to front, something like that. So you can do repositioning of your text. And yeah, you can change the theme of the text, how you want it to look, the items. You can choose a font, like I said. You can change the color. You can mix colors. So there are a lot of things you can do. You can include patterns on your text. So yeah, basically that's it. So let's go back to our original Monday, January that we wanted to edit. So yeah, so double click on it, and we want to put just the number. I say 22nd September and 2023. And voila, we've changed that particular text. So another thing we can do is edit this. Instead of stated, we can use expect. And keep it there, or rather use stay tuned, like what was there. So basically just showing you that you can actually edit the flyer, so what you want. Okay, so in lower caps lock, so it's fine and better this way. So basically that is it. Another thing you can do is change this particular element. So you can use this and go to resize. We have resize, reposition. You can crop it, adjust it and all that. So for cropping, you can remove some parts that you don't want. You can reduce it or increase it. We can use only this and save it, and that is what will be there. Or we can go back to what it was, which was this. So yeah, that's what cropping does. So yeah, the other designs, why the ones with crown here, like this ones, are pro, so you can't use them except you pay for the pro version. But the other things you can do, you can change color, of the design. You can change colors. You can reposition it. As I said, to back, to front. You can move it to different positions with this. So basically that's what it does. So everything you're doing is literally click, drag, and change. Nothing so much, and you'll be having your design. So I used to tell people that for every designs, what makes it unique to you is personalized with your company and your logo, and you can actually add some little changes to make it look different. If I was going to add little changes to make this look different, I'll change the colors, of the maybe the background or the writings, and include my logo. So for this place now, where we have this speaker, we want to see if we can add our logo there. So what we'll do is we'll highlight it already and we click replace. Then we'll click on photos and see if we can get in our gallery or somewhere our logo designs. Okay, so we have some here and we can import it in that particular place. So yeah, before you import it, they'll tell you, do you want to crop it, don't you want to crop it? So basically that's it. So yeah, I mistakenly cancel that one. Let's do it again. We'll go to photos, we'll look for our logo and we'll import it. I mistakenly went back, so I cancel that particular import. Yeah, then they'll actually want to crop it, so we can actually crop it, to take it or one or resize it to how we like it. So let's just crop it and make it like this. So just click and drag this box, from the corners, those corners, click and drag them, edit it that way, and you can resize it to this and send it. So it has replaced that particular speaker. As you can see, because it's white, it's not showing that has been replaced, but it is there. So let's see if we can change the color. Yeah, so we can actually change the color and pick another color, so let's see if we can see something like that green among these colors, and the greens are plenty. Yep, I think this is it. Is it? It looks like it, but I don't know. It is not. It doesn't even look like green anymore. Now I brought it closer. That is not green. It looks like something like this. I wish I would see this color here. Colors are plenty. How about I just even use? Okay, let me still check. I know it's still going to be there, but if you can't even use that particular type of weekend, let's look for something else to close it. I'm trying to see if I can get this orange or yellow. Okay, this is closest to it. So we could use this, or any other color which you feel like, and change the color of the entire logo that was there, so basically that's how you do it. You can use any of these colors and change the color that was there. So yeah, that's for that. So we included our logo, and now it's very personalized. My logo comes with my name, so I don't even need to touch that at all or add it. I can position it here by clicking and dragging, and I'm done. And now this is personalized to my brand. And yes, opening coming soon. Let's use coming soon instead of opening soon. Okay, no, let's use opening soon since it's a brand. So yeah, that's basically it. How to design a simple flyer with your logo and different little touching. Like this one, we didn't really do so much touching, but in other templates, you will get to edit it, properly. So this is just to show you the know-how of simple changes you can make. Let's change this color too of this highlighted particular parts. Okay, that's already, I've already changed the colors of the color. Let's do the same thing for this one. So yeah, so we've changed that color now, and this is an entirely different design. So you can use this to change so colors so you don't look the same, or you can even delete some of them. You can delete it and you have a flyer like this and nobody will know. This is an entirely different design. I can decide to want to change the background or add the pattern to it, so we can do something like this, or something like this, and it's an entirely new design. We can also do gradient colors, but let's stick to pattern. Let's see if there's another one that is okay. Okay, this is too much. Nah, I like the other one. So you can do something like this, and this is an entirely new design, and this was found in patterns, and we have a design, Then we can also nah, I don't like this one. Let's go back to what we're using. Yes, this is okay. Or the first one we got, this. So yes, you can do that. You can add those things back. You can change the colors. You can reposition them. You can switch them by bringing this one to the side, taking this one to the side, and rotating this one and putting it on the side. And yeah, so you can make this pattern however you want, and when you're done, you save it with the up button there. So it's simple and short like that. If you say you don't want to remove watermark, I'm sure they'll take you to the pro version. Okay, they didn't. Okay, wait, let's try it again. Yes, I told you they'll take you to the pro version, so they want you to pay for it, but we can keep watermark and say no and save as JPEG and click on save. Best quality and these dimensions are always okay. The recommended is always okay. So when you click on save it, save your design and you would have it in your gallery. So let's check it out now that we're done. So see it here, Flyerwiz. So this is our design saved. We can always recrop it and resize it here by clicking on edit, crop, and we remove the part where that has the watermark. And now we have our design without watermark, whatever we want. So yeah, that's how to make a simple design with Flyerwiz. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.